Hello, I am Michael Kirichenko. You are watching SkyWay News, where we report on the developments and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. Today, we will recall one memorable event in the history of our project, and you will also learn about probably the most and least dynamic aspects in the work of SkyWay Technologies company, namely about the creation of rolling stock and the work on organizational development. And now more details about all this. 4 years ago, a solemn laying of the commemorative sign 0 kilometer and a grand ceremony dedicated to this event took place at the construction site of SkyWay Eco Technopark. It is a monumental and decorative composition cast in bronze. It was thanks to your votes that a generalized image of 0 kilometer was created. Its final version was approved by Anatoly Unitsky. Eco Technopark is absolutely different now. During just 4 years, 5 demonstration and certification test Skyway complexes of different types, with a total length of more than 4 kilometers, have been built from the initial designing and the first driven in PEG on about 36 hectares of the former tank range for the first time in the world, from scratch. We are constantly improving the technology. During this period, the semi-rigid track structure has already been upgraded to triple its load capacity. The raceway on the string truss overpass was upgraded for the railhead of the bell type, which increased the evenness of the track tenfold. Various types of innovative joint-free railheads have already been tested here. The whole required infrastructure was built on the second level: stations, turnouts, miles of engineering networks of water supply and sewerage, power supply networks with a total capacity of about 1,000 kilowatts, system of communication and intelligent control equipped with sensors and technical vision. Construction of the 6th test complex of almost a kilometer long is underway in order to work out standards for the natural and climatic conditions of the United Arab Emirates, including for running in of rolling stock in tropical version manufactured in Minsk before its delivery to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and other cities and regions of the Middle East and Asia. During this short period of time, we have already developed 11 fundamentally different models of innovative electric rail vehicles manufactured at our own production facility, created from scratch and equipped with the most modern machinery. In other words, the composition 0 kilometer symbolizes the beginning of a new stage in Skyway development. It is from this point that Unitsky's train transport has begun its victorious march around the world. However, let us return in our time, because there is something worthy to report on now. We will start with the process of creating Skyway rolling stock. We have worked out a structural and operating model of a Unilight vehicle, describing its architecture. It is used for coordinated designing of the vehicle by different departments, as well as for preparation of documents to submit to certifying agencies. Work continues on improving the performance and smooth running of the high-speed vehicle prototype. As part of upgrading the hydropneumatic suspension in Unibus U4 362, new cylinders are being tested to be installed on the vehicle soon. We are working out the concept of an onboard control system for a completely new vehicle that not only meets safety requirements, but is also modular and scalable. This design will allow to combine several single-module vehicles in multi-module trains, with minimum changes in configuration, making each module universal in application. Work continues at Skyway Innovation Center in Sharjah. Commissioning work has begun on phase number 1 of the 400-meter-long track with a flexible rail string track structure. Tropical Unicar trials and its certification will begin very soon. Skyway Technologies company pays great attention to organizational development and high qualification of its employees. As regards the direction of Building Information Modeling, BIM, employees of the Project Management Department have been trained on the use of schedules in the Inovia project management system. Project templates for Belarus and the United Arab Emirates, with prefigured schedules included in them, have been created. The route to coordinate the project's content has been worked out and tested. In the middle of the outgoing week, the results of this work were summed up and the feedback needed to improve this activity was received. The architecture template on modeling of stairs and ceilings has been finalized. Work is underway to configure the modeling of roofs. The technology template for industrial facilities has been improved. The process of equipment modeling based on the Excel table has been automated. The process of transferring information on the project in the Revit model has also been automated. The shared data environment on BIM01 network disk is redesigned and everything is built into the process of working on the project. In simple words, the main focus in this area of the company's activity is now directed at the introduction of BIM, Building Information Modeling, into the work processing of one of its key subdivisions, the Design Works Administration, where the labor of employees is increasingly automated in many aspects. Such is our traditional brief report on the progress in the development of SkyWay technology over the past week. Follow the updates on the official SkyWay websites. Sign up to our SkyWay YouTube channel. Support our project. Automate anything you want, but do it with all your heart. Build SkyWay. Save the planet.